been a long time since we had something makeup related. Let's just get right into it. The Scream Queen foundation from Milani. I was up in Target the other day and I saw this and the blue light technology and blah 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 blah. Got it for $13. Target cartwheel. It was on sale. Let's just go ahead and see it closer. And I did my eyes today with the Milani Gilded Violet palette. As y'all can see, this was on clearance at Walmart, $9, but it came to $5, and so did the eye pencil. I'm gonna go back and finish that up when we do this, because it's gonna be an all Milani day. So y'all, this foundation is a light to medium coverage, but it's thick. That's weird to have a light to medium coverage foundation come out as thick as this, but today is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Now, this foundation come in 45 shades, $13.99 for 1 ounce, and I picked up Deep Amber. Now, Target, I know for a fact, didn't have all the shades, and they didn't have testers, so I winged it on this. I think it'll be alright, but I think maybe the Sienna would have been more perfect. But the Sienna has a little more red undertone. I'm a little more golden. It looks like it's a perfect match, y'all. So the whole thing with the blue light technology. Blue light is fine in a lot of cinematography, and now it's even said it's found in your phone. The technology in your phone, the cameras in your phone. So this light to medium coverage is supposed to get you a more flawless picture, like you don't have that blue light bouncing off of you. Now, are blue lights safe? Yeah, blue light is no different than the average UV ray outside. Do we not go outside because of UV ray? You know, UV rays are in your lights, your household lights, but when you're out and about, that's why you wear sunscreen. This foundation, claim to fame, says it'll help balance that blue light technology. And in fact, a lot of people didn't even know blue light technology exists. So this is what one layer is looking like, and I like it. It's thick coming out the jar, but yet is lightweight on the face. And it says it gives you a natural finish. It's not a matte finish. So in my case, I'm going to get kind of like a little dewy, a little luminous, but y'all know, if y'all are a friend of this channel, I don't mind that. Now, I do see some hyperpigmentation popping out, so we're gonna go with one more, just like a little thin layer just around. What I'm doing today is giving you the shakedown, the breakdown, the specs on the foundation and a wear test, because I have to go run some errands. I will say that I feel like I'm loving this already, because this is giving me Healthy Vitalist CoverGirl vibe, and y'all know I bought that foundation probably like 10 times over again. CoverGirl might have some competition on my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer in Deep Honey. I think I got like 3 of these. I freaking love this concealer. The applicator on this concealer is so smooth. But you know, nowadays everybody have what's called a concealing cocktail. So I'm gonna go on top of this and in my T-zone with the Milani Conceal in Perfect and Warm Sand. So this is just a little bit brighter, so I'm gonna just focus that right there on the under eye, just to brighten the under eye a little bit. And also, this tests out Milani's concealer, how well it blends on top of their foundation, because I'm here to tell you, not all concealers blend out great on top of foundations. Hint, for me, the Fenty Pro Filter Matte and their concealer on my face was a no. But the Fenty, the more hydrating foundation and that concealer was a yes. So it's all hit or miss. But would brands make something that coincide with each other? They should. They should. But that don't mean on you it's gonna work. So let's bounce this out, set this, and I'll be right back. It's blending out good. It's not leaving me patchy, because sometimes that could happen where the concealer and not moving your foundation. So far so good. Also, what I'd like to do is my setting powder is on this brush, and I just lightly tap to put the concealer in place. I cannot cake up under my eyes. I wasn't going to record this part because it's not about the eyes. I don't know if these products weren't selling well at Walmart or not, But Walmart had a slew of Milani products on clearance. Now I'm mad I didn't grab more of these Stay Put liners. Y'all, this rolls on so smooth. And as you can see, it's not making my eye water or anything. And it's giving a perfect purple color payoff. If y'all see this, finish up with the Milani face powder and caramel. Almost all Walgreens I know have now discontinued this powder. I don't know why, but I did grab 2 and I'm hitting pan on my first one. Like, it's one of them powders where if you don't want to wear a face full of liquid makeup and you just want to powder your face for the day and go on about your business, it is good. It's a foundation powder, but it's not one of those cakey foundation powders. So again, I don't know why they discontinued this, but they did, and I happened to grab 2. So that took the shine out, although it's going to give me a dewy luminous best blushes on the market for women of color. Hands down, Milani. So we already in bed with Milani, so why am I not focused? Okay, there I am. I'm just topping it all off. So face is done. It's 3:30 p.m. I'm probably coming back by 9 something just to give y'all the shakedown and the breakdown. I'm gonna make it real quick, y'all, but I'm liking so far, y'all. Let's hope it don't break down in this heat. It is 10 p.m. I'm looking shiny as hell. Outside was 86 today. My eyelash already lifted up because of the heat. But far as the foundation, I'm loving it. Like, under my eyes, everything's not broken apart. So the shininess that I'm getting in this is, I kind of like it because, like I said, I'm a dry skin person, so any little bit of hydration I am in love with. I also seal the look with the Milani Make It Last 12 Hour, but again, this foundation says it gives you a natural to luminous finish, so it's giving true to what it said it would do. So in theory, if I was out and about or something and I'm not ready to go home yet, and I'm like, you looking a little too shiny, big powder brush, the Milani powder. I see how that instantly took the shine back down. But be that I'm in the house for the night, it's just like, it is what it is. The wear test is done from 2 o'clock today. I am satisfied. This is an affordable one, y'all, and a lot of times Target has Cartwheel and Ulta take coupons as well. Milani is good for having tear pack coupons sitting in Walgreens. So y'all know I'm all things on the budget, and I am here for this. And I will see y'all on the next video. Y'all know it's probably gonna be a candle video, but I'm gonna see y'all later.